Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to bring some light to a post I saw on X just a little bit ago. This is a user I follow. Definitely go check him out. His name is DarkMiner71. He's a crypto miner, option seller, documenting his entire journey on X. And yeah, definitely go. He has a YouTube channel as well. Definitely go check out his page. But this is really cool. He said the mini options account is really starting to see the options snowball effect. So his strategy is selling puts, collecting premium, getting assigned shares, selling calls, and repeat. So this is often known as the wheel. Obviously, you start by selling cash secured puts until you get assigned, and then you sell covered calls on those shares until your shares get called away. And that is the entire sequence of running the wheel. So he said, just finished another round of wheel trading on TSLL, and I'm back to 100% cash. So this is this is one of his accounts that looks like on Robinhood, currently around $17,000, and he is up 97.50 all time, or 126%. So really solid so far. Good luck, good performance for him so far, and yeah, really cool post. If you're interested in learning more about the wheel, definitely do your own research. Look up the wheel strategy. There's lots of content out there. I'm sure there's content on my page as well talking about it in previous videos. I'll link them down below. Let's see what some people are talking about here. This is the way, Cole. Yeah, absolutely. Awesome, bro. How much did you start with this one? Only wheeling TSL. So TSL is a leveraged fund of Tesla. So just kind of keep that in mind. He said just under $8,000. But he said he wheels a bunch of stocks. So he doesn't just specifically do TSL. Yeah, so lots of comments on this post here, so definitely go check it out. Looks like he's only selling weeklies, so there's tons of different strategies, right? So you'll have to look at deltas, weeklies, monthlies. So whenever you do find your strategy and do your own research on the wheel strategy itself, you'll learn more about different techniques to use. And I think one of the best ways to learn is just by actual experience, going out and doing this yourself on some stocks that you would like to own, or you would like to sell. So my advice is, coming back to that question right there, make sure you're comfortable with holding these shares right long term, and only do it on companies that, like I said, you're willing to hold long term. If we go into a bear market, this could be a very tricky strategy if you're just chasing high yielding or high IV stocks like TSLL or whatever it might be. So just kind of keep that in mind. But yeah, I think this is a great skill set to have. Does it always perform just buying and holding? Absolutely not. Look at Palantir. You would have been up over 80% just year to date if you were just bought Palantir stock. And there's all kinds of individual stocks like that, right? But this is a great skill set to have, right? And I think anybody can use it. You can tailor it a little bit to what your goals are and what you're trying to accomplish. But I think running the wheel, like I mentioned, is a great skill set to have, and I think everyone should potentially look into it if you want to create income from your portfolio, or if you want to hedge your portfolio a little bit there. So just keep that in mind, and do keep in mind the kind of some of the cons, right? So like if you would have sold covered calls on Palantir, for example, year to date, that's up over 80%. You could have capped some of your upside there. So you definitely want to make sure you understand that and understand the risk you are, potentially implementing when, using these types of options. So quick little video here, guys. Hope you got some value from it. Once again, this is the wheel strategy, and this is a success story from Dark Miner on X. Definitely go give him a follow on his page.